Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a new day, new adventures to be had. The sun is up, and so should you. Choo train, choo choo train, choo choo train. Ah! I am such a little child. I was charging my phone. Why is this so zoomed? I don't know. And look what happened. Somebody took apart my phone. Somebody took apart. Why?
I'll knock it to the ground.
Why are you having so much fun doing this? Oh my god. Ah!
Trying to like seduce someone in that picture. She's like biting your nose. Oh, that looks so creepy. I could probably pass you for a pedophile in like 5 states.
Why 5?
Because I've only been to a few.
Kiki.
This would be such a better picture if that damn red car wasn't in the background.
Chloe is dead.
Oh, I sat in tree sap.
Kiki! Where are you? Give me back my phone.
That's my thing. I see Russian.
No. Okay, go. Woo! Look, we found some stragglers.
Stole my hat, too.
Okay.
Don't get me in it. I look awful.
What? What? Hi. No, you can't evade it. Just accept the facts. See, be like Kiki.
Okay, I'm vlogging now. What do I say?
Anything, just banter. That's what I do.
So this one right here, I don't know what she is. Thanks! You like to bite people, you like to,
You sure her boobs aren't focusing in the picture
a little
right now?
bit. It is! She likes to show her boobs, she likes to twerk.
I wear glitter 24/7. That's what I do.
And we have 10 more minutes to lunch, and it's gonna be yummy. And I'm gonna get more mushroom Swiss burgers.
What?
I'm gonna get more mushroom Swiss burgers. Yesterday I got 4, 2 for me, 2 for Whitney. I like vlogging.
But like, hold it up like here, so it doesn't go up your nose.
It's not going up my nose. I know about camera angles. Ugh.
No, except you're holding it to like.
She's not strong enough to hold it up there.
I am strong enough. You know what? Fine. Hey, what's up? You can't see me, but you can see all the other people.
I throw myself in, I throw myself out. I get all worked up and I let myself down. Trying so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses.
America's Next. No, wait. The Voice? Is that one of those singing?
Yeah.
The Voice?
Voice.
Okay.
X Factor.
This is our channel now.
So done.
You're so done. We're done with school. We're gonna go. Oh, there's people here.
So I got a taste.
Hey, Victor, are you hard at work or hardly working? Little and none.
Three.
Greg, get out of the way.
Put it on Instagram.
There we go. Film. Video footage. Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna write about your eating habits when you were a child.
Once again, I have stayed up late to edit this vlog. It was really fun to rewatch. I love reliving my days editing these vlogs. I'm so tired. I hope you liked this video as much as I did. Comment down below your favorite photography picture. Like, do a link to like Imgur or Instagram or something like that. If you haven't already, every once in a while, one of my videos has a secret to it. Somewhere in the video or somewhere in the like tags and stuff, there's a secret. Nobody's found the secrets yet. There's a challenge there. Please share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for enjoying my adventure. See you tomorrow.